Here, what it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lowdown AK, man. I'm back with another video for y'all, man. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to look aesthetically pleasing. If you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, I've been working on my body for about 5 years now, maybe. I would say I took it serious around when I turned 17. I was one about me. If you want to know the thing about me, man, I was tired of not getting hoes, dog. I'm telling you that right now. And one thing that all men that can relate to, man, niggas get tired of not getting no bitches, man. I'll tell you that right now. Niggas get tired of not getting no hoes, bro. So I had to change something, man. Whether that was my attitude, whether that was my physique, the way I looked. I wasn't appealing to the female, in the female mind. So I had to make myself that way. By my senior year, man, I ain't gonna lie, I was aesthetically pleasing. I can't fake it to you. But now I look a lot better than I did in my senior year. And you gotta think I got a lot of honestly I got a lot of attention my senior year, but women definitely found me attractive for sure. They would look at me a lot more. But my freshman year through junior year, hell no, I wasn't getting no hoes. I had like one girlfriend, bro. I wasn't getting no hoes. So now I live in the real world now, I can say, and I just don't live in the right area. So I still get looks and stuff like that, but I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm not getting like the super fine women and stuff like that. I'm not getting like the women that I want that as well. So, but I get attention though. Women find me attractive. I know I ain't ugly. So I'm gonna show y'all step by step guide, how to look aesthetically pleasing, man. And I got my book with me too, so that way I don't go off topic too much and stuff like that. So with that being said, number one, man, create a personal style for you. The biggest thing here is you have to find you a vibe that fits you. You know what I'm saying? Don't be trying to be you a dude that surfs. Don't be trying to look like a street nigga and you surf. That's not you. You know what I'm saying? Don't make no sense. You want to go for more of a tank toppy look, beach theme kind of beat. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now if you a street nigga, you a young nigga like me. You know what I'm saying? You trying to put fits on? Yeah, do that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna fit your vibe. It's gonna make sense. All right, he got this shit on to look this way because you know what I'm saying. That's that what kind of person he is. Not saying that clothes make you a thug or anything like that, but it give you that vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, he a chill nigga, you know what I'm saying? This and that. He like to put fits on, like all that kind of shit. Or if you a dude that just like to wear basic clothes, you know what I'm saying? Basic black tees or tank tops, stuff like that, do it. Step two, make a vision for yourself. Real talk. You gotta see it, man. It starts in the mind, man. If you can't say I want to look aesthetically pleasing, but you're not thinking about looking aesthetically pleasing, you have to see that look that you're looking for, and that brings me right into number three, which is find inspiration and figure out a body that you're looking for, man. For me, it was a Greek mythology body. You know what I'm saying? The little sculptures they make. Um, I'll find a picture if I can, but that is how I want to look. Rather, if I achieve it or not, it's a pretty sleek physique. It looks fucking amazing. It caught my eye. So I wanted to look like that in real life. So that's why I train the way I train. I eat the stuff that I eat because I want to look like that. Like one day, I want to look just like that. Yeah. I'm getting all the hoes looking like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, so yeah, you gotta find that inspiration, man. If it's somebody that you watch on YouTube or a gym influencer that you follow that you wanna achieve that same physique, man, go for it, man. Train just how they train, eat like how they eat. You'll achieve something, man. It's better to achieve something that feels impossible because if you never achieve it, look at how far you will get. Just just take that in consideration. Number four, take care of your skin. You can't be aesthetically pleasing and your skin looks trash. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't look good. Like when you go outside and step into the sun, your skin should glow automatically. Even like right now, like I ain't in the sunlight, nothing like that, but you see my skin is clear. I take good care of my skin. I skincare routine every single day. If you need recommendations, I would say CeraVe. That's what I use. CeraVe with the moisturizer. You can also use like people those gurus be having that T Chanley. T Chanley is actually a really good skincare. It just costs so much and it doesn't last that long. It lasts like a month, so it automatically makes you have to buy it again or be on a subscription. So if you making a good amount of money, man, I would I 100% recommend T Chanley. But if you like me, man, ain't you know what I'm saying, ain't balling like that, you know what I'm saying, balling on a budget, and CeraVe gonna be your best friend, man. CeraVe, bro. I had a CeraVe bottle for like the last 8-9 months. Like the thing never runs out. I done got multiple different bottles, and them ain't never ran out. I would say I started with the hydration CeraVe, and then I worked my way to SV. I like SV a lot more. It has vitamins in it, so like my skin is really healthy. So it keeps me from getting acne and all that kind of shit, and it keeps my skin glowing and looking good. Number 5, hold your semen in. You should go on semen retention. Not only will it make your skin glow, you will glow. You will have that aura to you. You will be aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? You will look aesthetically pleasing to the woman because you have life in you. You know what I'm saying? That that's how you do it. That will definitely bring it out. Number 6, and I got them on right now. Earrings. Piercings are just attractive to people. Now, I ain't gonna lie, people be doing too much with these damn loops and the 6 rings and shit. I know what I'm talking about. That shit is fucking gross. It's just disgusting. I hate seeing it. You know, a lot of women nowadays have belly button piercings because they think it's cute. If you find it attractive, hey, go ahead. Me personally, I don't like that shit. That's just me though. I just like earrings. Like if a woman has earrings, cool. All that other shit, that shit for the birds. But number 7, a fit body. You need to be in shape if you want to look aesthetically pleasing. You can't be fat and try to look aesthetic. You also can't be bulky, man. Them bulky dudes don't look aesthetically pleasing, man. They ain't like you just the more thing about this, the more bulkier you get, the more male attention you will achieve because males find that bulky shit, like really like in like they kind of fantasize over it, if that makes sense. Like the more you get bulky, the more men you will actually like attract, and that's kind of like I ain't gonna say like you gonna be getting niggas, but like that's really what's gonna happen. Like more, you're gonna get more of like a more compliments towards men than you will women. But if you work on like achieving an aesthetic physique, you will get like a whole lot of attention from women. You ain't gonna get as much attention from men. Like and that's the goal. You want the hoes. You don't want the niggas. You want the hoes.
Get the hoe.
So so yeah, achieving an aesthetic physique is definitely the move. Like that's a body I have. I don't take my shirt off in places that I go. If I did, I would definitely get a lot of attention. I don't do it. But one, I know a lot of people are insecure. But one, I'm insecure as well, so I just don't do it. I keep my shirt on for the most part. But if I ever was to do it, I know for a fact women would look at me all the time. They would be. Some of them might be fucking fanned out. They might just start just look at me in awe, like he just looks amazing. But yeah, like get an aesthetic physique, man. If you want the hoes, aesthetic physique. If you want the niggas, go ahead, get bulky, nigga. Go ahead, go get bulky as fuck. Go look like Larry Wilson, gang. Or was it Larry Wills? Go look like him and Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah, go look like them niggas. If that's what you want, you know what I'm saying. You want the hoes, gang. You need to have an aesthetic physique. And aesthetic physique means it's like a tight waist, 6-pack abs, obviously, a nice chest, nothing too crazy, 3D shoulders, and a very nice back. Your back is gonna really make your entire front look amazing. You're gonna look awesome. Bodies, yeah, and you're gonna have a nice V. And the most important part is the V line taper, man. The V taper, dude, that get the hose, gang. Real talk. You get a V taper, man, you gonna get the hose, dog. And number 8, wear clothes that fit you. You know what I'm saying? So if you a dude that has an aesthetic physique, or you're a dude that's like he just that swole, tight clothes are the move for you. You know what I'm saying? Your muscles are gonna pop way harder. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna look really nice to women. Like women are gonna be really attracted to you because your clothes fit you. A lot of people clothes don't fit them. Like you see the shit that I'm wearing. You know what I'm saying? I got muscles, but they're covered. I wear I don't wear like tight clothing like that. I wear like if I was to do it, it'd be just black tee. But for me, I like the big clothes. I like the '90s look. You know what I'm saying? I think that shit was cold. So that's the kind of where my streetwear is gonna be going towards the future. That's how I'm gonna start dressing more. I'm more biggie clothes, more bigger clothes. But once you see me naked, oh yeah, I'm like, damn, this nigga, damn, you know what I'm saying? The hoes gonna be going. You know what I'm saying? Like, god damn, he look good. But for the most part, I just wear big clothes. I like the big clothes look. 9, you gotta look aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And that comes down to everything, your entire look, man. How you look, your haircut, your face, your body. You know what I'm saying? How you carry yourself. You just gotta look aesthetic, man. And I'm in line. And 9 and 5 go hand in hand, bro. I'm telling you, you hold your semen, you gonna have that aura to you, dog. Like it's gonna make it all the better. And 10, work on your jawline and your teeth. I ain't got the brightest teeth in the world, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing crazy, but when people see my teeth, they're like, damn, you got a nice smile. That's what you want. You just want, hey, you have a nice smile. Not if someone tell you got a nice smile, that means you got good teeth. You know what I'm saying? So hey, once you start hearing those, you good. Work on your lips too, man. Make sure you wear like chapstick and shit. You don't want your lips to be crusty. Um Work on your jawline, gang. This shit matter, dog. I promise you. Jawline is the most aesthetic thing you can have on your entire body, besides your abs and your V line. Your jawline, dude. Think about it. The first thing a woman sees is your face. So they see your face and your teeth. What could you
see the chain and the watch? Now I'm handsome. I made so much money, I could probably pay a ransom. Now she see the teeth, she like, damn, this nigga handsome.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how it be, gang. So yeah, work on your teeth, dog. Work on your jawline. It's gonna make your face look better, gang. You're not gonna look fat. You gonna look really good, dude. So you work on your jawline for sure. The way you can work on your jawline is easy. Skittles, actually a pretty cool trick. Like hard candy, you know what I'm saying? Like you gotta really, your jawline's a muscle, so you gotta use it. You know what I'm saying? So eat like hard candy. If you got ice, chew on ice. Like I drink root beer with ice. Like I get ice all the time just because I like the way it tastes with root beer. So you eat ice, you gotta use it as a muscle. You know what I'm saying? You gotta really use it. If you ever just chilling at the crib, just like bite down on your jawline. That makes sense. Like just bite down on it. Like, and you should feel like these back here. Y'all can see that. If you can see it, I don't know if you can or not, but like, yeah, you should feel this back here. Once you feel this, just hold it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it will give you that look, that full look that you're looking for. Drink a lot of water too. But yeah, other than that, man, this is a step-by-step guide how to look aesthetically pleasing, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, let me know down in the comment section, like the video, man, and I will have more for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This and that. So hey, man, I'm out, man. Enjoy.